So today I want to talk to us about how we are going to be making use of Google My Business to set up our business workspace online on the Google Map and as well to run our personal ads on Google. So for as many that don't know how to do that, whereby they are going to place their business online so that people can have access to it anytime, any day. So follow me as I take you on that journey today, and I believe you will be glad to see that. So first of all, head over to your Google My Business. Go to Google My Business. When you get to Google My Business, you click on the first one. And over here, you click on Start Now. When you get to Google My Business, click on Start Now. And then you start the setup. It's very easy. So the business name we will be using here is Honey Treat Trade Academy. So that's the business name we'll be making use of for today. We'll be making use of Honey Treat Trade Academy. So and the business category is going to be like a skill acquisition center, and let's just make it learning. Let us say learning center. So we can just, the business category is learning center. So click on next. And then they ask a question, do you want to add a location customer can visit, like a store or an office? And then yes, we want to add that because this is like a physical store, it's like a physical place whereby anybody can just come in to learn anything that they want. So you click on next for that as well. Now they are asking you to enter your business address, and it must be a very genuine address because that would be used. You wanted to authenticate your business location on Google Map. So you have to put in the right address that people can actually see you. So over here we are going to make it former Ojolate Shopping Complex. Then the postal code for this area, we can just use what we have here. You can just check for your postal code. Oshodo postal code for Oloronda. So you can just search it that way. You can see 23103. So you can just say 23103. Then the state is Osun State. So you click on next again. You click on next. Then we have this. So it's telling us now that we have number 33, Ifelodun Street, Akilo. Is this our own? No, this is not what we are using. So we are saying this doesn't match. Are you with me? This doesn't match. So we click on next. So they ask us to select our location. This is a very vital one that you need to do. Take note of it. If you are presently at that location, this red icon is going to show in the sense that it's going to be on that exact location that you are in presently. But if you are doing it for someone else, or maybe where you are doing it is not the exact location of your office or your store, you just have to click on this adjust button. After you click on the adjust, then you can now drag to the location that you want to put it. So let me go back to where it is again. So I will reset it again to my exact location so that yes, now we have it. So you can click on done, and then as you can see, I'm now on the road that is leading to Sabo. So you can see that. Then you can click on next. If that is your exact location, you can click on next. Then that will load up also. Then do you provide deliveries or home service or home and office visits? No. For example, if you visit or deliver to your customer, you can let them know where you are wanting to go. No, we are not doing that because this is a training center, so we want to be doing that, so we say no. Now they ask for your phone number. All you have to do is just input the phone number of the business that you are using, that they can actually call to, your business phone number that they can actually place a call to, and the website, if you have one, that one is optional. If you don't have, you can leave it. If you have, you can input it there also. Then you click on next. So now it's telling us that would you like alert notification or tip about way to manage your business? If you want it, yes. If you don't want it, no. So we'll be clicking on no, then we click on next. So let's see what we have next. So over here, it's so serious and so good in the sense that you'll be able to do a whole lot of things. So over here, I would advise not to skip this. The first one is for you to verify using a phone call. You are going to verify the phone number either via text or phone call so that your location will be verified. Another thing is using a business video. If you have a video, if you click on this, they will tell you to show a record of your location, your in and your out location of everything that you are doing at that particular center or at that particular company or office. So I will go for phone call to verify that, and I click on next, and they're asking me for which one. Should they call me or should they text me? We are going to go for text message. Then we click on next so that we can have the 6 digits. So a 6 digit code has been sent to the phone number. So let's wait for it to deliver to the phone, then we put the 6 digit code. So it's taking so long for us to receive the code. So let us just click on verify later to verify that, maybe with a video or anything later on. So we verify that later so we can continue with the other thing. So over here, they are asking us that we should add our services. Is it adult lesson? Yes. You can still add more, which is skill acquisition, skills acquisitions. So we can add that and everything. So then you can edit your work hour if you are going to be available, your timing that you are going to be available. So we are going to make this thing 24 hours all through. Let's make it 24 hours all through from Monday to Sunday. So we make it 24 hours all through, except Sunday. So Sunday we change our work hour from Sunday to from, let's say, off. We are not open on Sunday, so we click on next. So that's our business hour for that on that. So now we need a little description to tell us what we really do. So that's the description that we can make use of for now. You can add your own to it. So over here, which is a very critical one, is add the storefront photo. The storefront means the front of your office, either maybe where you are or where you are going. So let's add a storefront. So let's select our image for that. So our image should be under this. Let's select our storefront, which is this. We have this one. So you can select as many as you want for it. So the first one is kind of loading. You can add more to it. Can you see how it's coming out? You can add more to it. So you can add as many as possible as you want for your storefront that people will be able to see even without getting it. They'll be able to know that, okay, this is actually what is happening over here. Now we have this now as our storefront. You can see the 3 images that I'm using. The first one, the second one, then this is the third one. Then if this one is downloaded, we click on next. So you can click on next. Now they're asking us to add photo of our business. So we select image as well. Also, we'll come to the other images that you want to add. We can use this, and many more like that you want. You can add them as many as possible that you want. You can add up to 150, as many as you want, that people will be able to know that, okay, this is what you do, this is what is actually going on over here and everything. So that's how it is. Let me add more. I think I still need to add 2 more. Still need to add 2 more for that. Still need to add 2 more to that. I think, yes, it's set. We have it there already. So you click on next. Now, over here it's telling you to get a domain name for your website and a custom email. Like, most times you have a company, that people do have company's email, like for your school, your university, they allocate an email to you that is in charge of, that you are in charge of alone. You will just see something like your name and the name of your school behind it as your email. Something like that. That's a custom domain name for your website and email. So we skip that. because we are not going to be doing that. We just keep that. So your edit will be visible once you are verified. So because we are not verified, it's not going to be visible now. What you just do is click on continue. So now this is what will happen. This is what will happen over here now. It's very simple, which is, as you can see, they are telling us now that verification code requested. Enter the code received on your phone, but we've not received the code yet. So you can see now that our phone number is there. You can see the address is there already, and then you can see every other thing that you need to do to see Honestly Trade Academy. Not public. It's not public yet because we've not been able to verify. And how do we verify that? It's very simple. Either you verify through your phone number or you verify through a video. So that's brought us to the end of about how to set up your Google My Business and the likes. So thank you. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow for more information. And if you have anything that you need to say, or maybe you want me to tell you how to do one or two things again, you can as well send a DM or put it in the comment section. I will be there to attend to you. See you. Thank you.